Hello, English learners. Welcome back to Medical Professor. Today, we are going to learn one of the most important topics in English grammar, the past simple tense. By the end of this lesson, you will know when to use it, how to form it, common mistakes to avoid, and lots of examples and practice. So, stay tuned till the end. Let's start with the basics. The past simple tense is used when we talk about something that already happened in the past. For example, I went to school yesterday. She played football last weekend. They watched a movie last night. All these actions are finished. They happened in the past and they are not happening right now. So remember, past simple is past action or finished action. How to form past simple? There are two main ways to make the past simple tense, regular verbs and irregular verbs. Number 1. Regular verbs. For most verbs, we just add ed at the end. For example, play, played, watch, watched, clean, cleaned. She played the piano. They watched a movie. Easy? Right. Just add ed. Number 2. Irregular verbs. Some verbs don't follow the ed rule. They change completely. These are called irregular verbs. For example, go, went, eat, ate, buy, bought. I went to the market. He ate an apple. There's no rule for irregular verbs, so you just have to learn and remember them. When do we use the past simple? We use the past simple tense in three main situations. Number 1, completed actions in the past. Number 2, a series of completed actions. Number 3, past habits or repeated actions. Let's discuss number 1, completed actions in the past. When something happened in the past and is finished. For example, I visited London last year. She finished her homework yesterday. Number 2, a series of completed actions. When we talk about actions that happened one after another. For example, he woke up, brushed his teeth, and went to the school. All these actions are finished and they happened in an order. Past habits or repeated actions. When we talk about something we did regularly in the past, for example, we always played outside after school. This was a habit, but it happened in the past, not now. So remember, past simple is used for finished actions, a sequence of actions, and old habits. Now let's see how to make negative sentences and questions in the past simple. Negative sentences. To make a sentence negative, we use did not plus base verb. For example, I did not go to school. She did not watch TV. Notice, after did not, we always use the base verb go, watch, play, not the past form. Questions. To ask a question, we use did plus subject plus base verb. For example, did you play football? Did they watch the match? Again, we use base verb play, watch, not the past form. So remember, for positive sentences, she played football. Negative sentence, she did not play football. And question sentence, did she play football? Many learners make mistakes when using the past simple, especially with did and did not. Let's clear this up. Mistake 1. She didn't went to the school. This is wrong because after did not, we must use the base form of the verb. The correct sentence is She didn't go to school. Mistake 2. Did you watch the movie? This is wrong because after did, we also use the base form. Correct sentence is, did you watch the movie? Here's the golden rule. After did or did not, always use the base verb. That is go, watch, play, not the past form. Went, watched, played. Okay, now it's your turn to practice. I'll give you a sentence with a missing verb. Try to say the correct past form before I give the answer. Ready? Let's go. I dashed to the park yesterday. I went to the park yesterday. She dashed tennis last weekend. She played tennis last weekend. They dashed a film last night. They watched a film last night. Let's do a few more together. He dashed an apple this morning. He ate an apple this morning. We dashed our grandparents last week. We visited our grandparents last week. The students dashed their homework yesterday. The students finished their homework yesterday. She dashed a new dress yesterday. She bought a new dress yesterday. I dashed a plate today. I woke up late today. Great job! Now you know how to use the past simple tense in positive, negative, and question form. Remember, regular verbs take ed and irregular verbs must be memorized. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Medical Professor for more English learning videos. And let me know in the comments, what did you do yesterday? Use past simple in your answer. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.